Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, and good afternoon, dear students. Students, this is Sayyid Sami IELTS from KP. We have been providing quality training of IELTS and TOEFL, PTE, Pearson, and many more international certificates in Peshawar since 2003 and 4. Dear students, as you know that these days this COVID-19 and this pandemic started, and now because of this students are not able to have offline sessions, I mean face-to-face sessions. They are not able to have the teachers in front of them and have different sessions. So students, we have started online sessions, and Alhamdulillah, we have completed our first batch of online session in the month of April and May. Now we are going to start a new session of IELTS, and that would be online session. The date that we are going to choose, that's going to be 8th of June, right? But before that, I request you, please, all those viewers who are interested to take quality IELTS classes, right, and quality IELTS training, I strongly recommend it to please go to my Sami IELTS page and just browse the page, see the result, because there are now many teachers across the globe, and they have been teaching IELTS. Alhamdulillah, we are the only ones that we have been providing IELTS in Pakistan, especially in KP, from the last more than 14-15 years. So dear students, please, I request you to go to my Sami IELTS page, right, and just browse the results, see the reviews, see the quality feedback and everything, and then decide. Inshallah, on this coming Monday, that's gonna be 8th of June, right, that we're going to have a detailed orientation of IELTS, right, and after that then we're going to open a new session of IELTS, which is gonna be on 9th of June, inshallah. So dear students, if you're interested, please go to my Sami IELTS page, like the page, see the updates, right, see the results, and then you can join me in my online sessions on 8th of June, inshallah. Timing will be announced in the group so that you would be updated all the time. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.